Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll go over how to hide the action bar. Okay, so now let's start creating our application. We'll use an empty activity and let's name it, for example, no action bar. Good, it's Java, whatever here. Okay. Now you'll see the Gradle build running. So this is the main activity where you type your Java code. Today there's no need to type in anything here. Okay, so under resources you'll see values, and under values you'll see styles.xml. Here is where we'll have to type something. We will create a style which will apply our conditions to hide this. Okay, first let's start this. Okay, now we're in this application. Good. So the logic will be, we'll create a style here and we will use it in this activity. Right now we have only one activity, as you can see, and here we will add it as a style for this specific activity. Okay, let's start. So I'll do this, nameless app theme no action bar, and like this. Okay, here in a style you add items, as you can see from the default one, and we'll also do the same. So item, let's window action bar, and let's see the options. You can see the option by pressing Ctrl and space, and we have true, false. And one more thing we have to set up. There should be, if you scroll here, okay, that's too much scrolling. Let's see. So no window, no title. Good, we found. And here we will put in true, because pretty self-explanatory. Okay, now we have this style and this is its name. Now if we just restart it, nothing will change, because what we basically did, we created a variable, a style variable. Come on. So as you can see, nothing changed. Now we will apply it here. So this is basically like HTML, where you add your style if you are doing inline style. So Android, not icon, let's say style, theme. Okay. So as you can see, this is the first option. It's the one we created because it's the only created one, and we should find other default ones. But let's type it. Style app theme. So no action bar. This is the one we created. Now if you restart, you'll see that it will no longer appear if it decides to start. Good. As you can see, it's not there anymore.